haven't vlogged in a long time. I'm sorry if there's like background noise. I have the AC running. I thought today I would show you how I make spring rolls. I haven't made spring rolls on my own ever. I think the last time I made it was with my mom when I was super young, but I've been craving spring rolls and I thought spring rolls are pretty easy to make. I could do it. I'm Chinese, but my mom was born and raised in Vietnam, so growing up I was exposed to a lot of Vietnamese foods. Spring rolls are one of my favorite dishes. It's so funny because whenever I would go to like a Vietnamese sandwich shop or like a pho place, my mom would never let me buy spring rolls because she knew how to make them at home, and so it just didn't seem like worth the money to her. And now I'm like, I understand, like I should learn how to make my own spring rolls. It's pretty easy. I looked up a recipe online, but it's so generic, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna try and make the peanut butter sauce too. So I'm boiling this big pot of water, and I'm using such a big pot because the water always overflows in my smaller pot and it's just not fun cleaning up that mess. I'm boiling water so I can cook the noodles and also the shrimp that we have here. It's defrosting right now. These are already peeled and deveined and all that. I'm just making 10 for now, and hopefully that'll be enough. The noodles I'm using are these ones. I don't know if it's the right one. I wanted the thin vermicelli. I know some of them come in like thicker sizes. Either one works, it really doesn't matter. Now we're going to blanch the shrimp. I'm gonna add a bit of salt just to give the shrimp a little bit of taste. So you just want to cook them until they're a little bit pink. I also got these egg roll wrapping papers so that I can add a little crunch to each of the spring rolls I'm making, but I've never fried just this before. Let's be real, I've never fried my own egg rolls before. I really don't like the idea of frying these things. I hate oil splash back, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So I just put a pretty thin layer of oil. I don't want to use too much. I'll add more if I need to. They cooked so fast. They're already burnt, so I have to make 5 new ones. Okay, now let's try frying these again. Frying this on lower heat now so it doesn't burn. Okay, so that was really not fun. I just definitely got some oil burns on my forearm. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's getting really red and blotchy around my wrist because I used water to seal the roll, and I don't think I let it, I don't know, like dry long enough. The water and the oil mixing together definitely splashed quite a bit and got me on the arm. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I have it on a low heat setting, and I should probably check on it before I burn it again. I'm having it slowly cook. Like, you can see where it really splashed. So I wanted to cook these for a little bit longer, but I think they're like a pretty nice golden brown already. I'm just gonna leave it as is because I'm scared. I don't want to like burn it, and I also don't want to burn myself. Hello, my beautiful aloe plant. I never thought I'd actually have to use you, but here we are. I hope this is enough. I'm going to cut a few slices of cucumber. How do I cut this? Because I don't need a lot. I'll go like this. I only need like 5 slices. I'll figure out what to do with these cucumbers another time. Okay, so we also have to cut the shrimp in half. So I'm using these spring roll rice papers. For lettuce, I'm actually just gonna use this spring mix. We're gonna dip it in the warm water for like a second. Set that here. Hopefully it doesn't stick. It said I should use a wet paper towel or towel, but I think this will be okay. Take some vermicelli. That looks like a lot. I literally don't even know how much you're supposed to be using. I don't think that's maybe a lot. And we'll put some lettuce. Okay, then we'll take a cucumber, a little egg roll thing that I burned myself on. This looks like a hot mess, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna take some mint leaves. So then I think you roll. This is so stressful. Don't break on me, paper. Roll that in. Okay. And then you take the shrimp. Hey, not bad, not bad. This better work, bitch. Because they keep sticking to the thing. I don't see how this would make the rice paper not stick to it. But I will try anything. Oh, shit. It really isn't sticking to the paper towel. Damn, that's a game changer. I should always listen to the freaking recipe. Like, I don't know why I doubted it. Okay, paper towel is the game changer. Okay, now I'm going to attempt to make the peanut butter sauce. Okay, so you need this sauce, hoisin sauce. I should probably put it upside down so it drips to the bottom, and peanut butter. Okay, so we'll do a 1/4 cup of water. I feel like I'm on a cooking show right now. 1/2 cup of this. Okay. Oh, fuck. It's expired. You know what? It sucks. It should be okay, right? Now I think we need a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, it's really salty. Okay, let's try it. The sauce is so salty. Or maybe I just have really sensitive taste buds, but damn, I have so much of that sauce too. The crunchy egg roll strip though, totally worth it. The mint, also so good. So that's it for this cooking video. I'll link some recipes down below for spring rolls. Those are probably easier to follow, but the recipe I use for the sauce is like way too salty, or maybe it's just because my hoisin sauce is expired that it's like super salty. I don't know. So just be careful with that and adjust to your liking. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I actually have to go wow Cody right now because it's his dinner time too. I will see you in my next video. Bye!